Hello. Hi Gana, are you there? Hello. Hi. Hi Avni, how are you? Nice to see you. Where are you Gana? Hello. So today we are waiting for a makeup session, and there was lot of trouble shooting in earlier Facebook live. So I have started from Sari Club now. Anyone is there? Hello. So I'm waiting for more people to join, then we can start the session. And actually I'm waiting for Gaina to join this. Are you there Gaina? Please say hi. Okay, now I wanted to invite you. Yeah, hi Gaina. Sorry we had lot of issues connecting on FB and StreamYard, but still we managed here. Okay, so can we start the session or what? How we want to go ahead with this? Hi Chakuri. I hope this lighting is clear so that I can show my makeup here. Hi. So hi Chakuri. So today's session was about phase of makeup. Hi Anuradha, how are you? Hello. Hi Anusaya. So Gaina, you can send invite here actually to be in this live video. So can we start Gaina? Hello. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so we'll start the session. So here I am. I'm Sunita Padvekar, beauty and hair expert, and working in this industry from past 20 years now. I'm into beauty and fashion industry. I'm professional makeup artist and hair artist too, and I train people. I run academy called Be Beautiful Beauty Studio, where we train all the people for beauty and fashion. And I'm a lecturer at Rachana Sansad School of Fashion and Textile. There I teach personality development and career skills development. And I'm into teaching line from past 25 years now, and teaching is my passion, and I train people, and I have almost trained till now 5,000 and more in these years. And teaching is something, it's very much attached to me. And going ahead with the makeup, makeup is something like, every time in this professional field, working while working in this professional field, we always require makeup, right? And makeup, which is something which gives you confidence, it boosts your confidence, it boosts your personality, it adds charm to your personality. And there are many aspects in makeup actually, because makeup is not something, a one regular makeup which can go for all. So makeup has different dimensions, and makeup has different varieties. And today here I am to create something new, because Gehenna requested me to show something, a different kind of a makeup, because we wanted to go like, bit creative. So earlier, now in so many days I had created so many looks now, and I love to work on face, because face is your canvas where, you can work really whatever you want to create, you can really create. And so that, I have planned today to show you something different, and is as per Gana's choice today. So I'm going to continue with the makeup today. So now I have applied like, primer, moisturizer, or whatever the steps required to start the makeup, like, so moisturizer, primer, and I have applied a little, Lakme mousse on my face, just to give like, a fine base. So now I'm going to start with the eye makeup now, because it's already late, and I think I should not like, take more time. Rather, I'll show you something creative. So first I'll start with the base. Yeah, Gehna, you can ask me now, because the session, the way we wanted to conduct it, is a bit different now. Yeah. So can I start the makeup, Gehna? Okay. So now I have applied a little base on my face. I have applied Lakme mousse, which I love most, because that gives absolute, very fine and very natural finish to your face. So I have applied that. I have applied liner and mascara. So let's go. Let's start. So I'm going to show you one creative look now. For that, I'll be applying concealer on my eyes. I hope the camera lights are clear. I'm going to apply concealer. Okay, nicely cover your eyelid, upper lid. You can see clearly. Yes, thank you, Gana. Lightly tap. Always, whenever you are putting concealer on your eye area, uh, whenever you are putting concealer on your eye area, whatever product you put, you should always gently pat, okay, never drag like this, because the area above your lid is delicate, because this area is your delicate part of from your this skin, okay. So here you need to go very gentle. So now I'm just patting, yeah, I'm just patting over lightly, okay. And then I need to powder that. Sorry Gehna, we tried very hard, but okay. So here now I'm patting with powder. You can see, I have lightly patted, yeah. So this is the base I have created. Now I'm going to use, see, this is my palette, this is my colorful palette, you can see. So I'm using all bright colors from this now. So I'll be using now more of green today, since I'm wearing green. So complementing to that, I'm going to wear green today now. So I'm starting with the lighter green first, okay. And this is creative makeup. So in creative makeup you can work with, many neon colors, lighter colors, bolder colors, okay. So inner lid I'm using light color, you can see. The second part is, you can see the color. The brand right now I'm using is Eye Magic. You can see this Eye Magic. This has got plenty of shades and all colorful. So if you want creative stuff, if you want to create something nice, you need lot of colors. So here I'm putting green, okay. Here I'm going darker. So I have put 3 colors now, you can see this. So I'm putting darker color now. Now crease area I'm going to blend. Crease area, see, I'm going to blend with this color now. Is it very clear? Yeah. So you can see all vibrant colors. So first I used greens, all shades of green. Okay, you can see this, you can see clearly the colors what I have put. So blending, I have blended the color as well. So now I'm going to put highlighter. This is creative makeup I'm showing you, because after this I'm going to create something. So this is like, you know, I'm going to make my eyes beautiful first and then the creativity. So here blending is very important. You can see the colors, how nicely they are looking. The same darker shade we are going to put underneath. Okay, so this is my base. Inner part going lighter. Okay, this. So now I'm going to put liner. Now you can ask a question if you have any, please. I'm going to put liner now. The liner I have put is also a different color. You can see this. This is not a regular. So underneath I'm just you can see this. Okay, so now I'm going to add sorry, the products are at, you know, scattered on the table, so mascara. Here this side I'm going to keep, you know, neutral. I'm not going to do anything here. Which brand eyeliner and pencil? Okay, the liner I put is very local, I can say. This is Diana of London liner, and the pencil I use was PSC brand PSC. So mascara, lower, Mascara, while applying mascara you need to be like very careful. Whenever you apply mascara you have to make sure that each and every hair is coated well, so that you can get that you can see this coat well. Yeah, so you can see the difference now. So now I'm going to clean this area and going towards my art. So this is going to be different and I'm sure you are going to love this. Now is it very clear what I'm showing to you all? Yeah, thank you. You can see the eye makeup. Okay, so all colors, vibrant colors. Yeah, so now I'm going to face off like today's Gana's topic. Okay, for that, one sec. I'm going to put 9 now.
नको ना काय ग हां ते करतेस म्हणजे
Okay, so this is beauty and this is art, so I'm showing you both. Smart title, their face off, yes, same title. So this is a different.
आपण मिक्सर लावू का कारण ते भाजून ठेवलं आहे नको लावू ना आता
You can see this. So now I'm going to add lighter shade to this, and then again I am going to add gradation to this. This is a completely different type of makeup. Nowadays lot of creativity is going on everywhere, so I have also created many looks now, and there are many looks are going some Johnson आहे ना बॉल्स आहे ना. So here I'm putting lighter shade. I'm just checking my mirror. Okay, now I have applied a lighter color. Now add shading to this. The darker color which I have put, I am going to add shading, because gradation is very important in makeup. Even if you apply foundation, you apply eyeshadow, you apply lipstick, so there has to be gradation. Because we have to bring out this part, so we are just making rest of the area is completely off, so that this part will get enhanced. So this is like, I'm just blending this part. So wherever you have put darker color, you need to shade that, because if you don't do shading, that will not look nice. So this is beauty and art. So beauty is in your eye makeup. Okay, so I'm just shading nose bit. So it's adding this bit depth. This is not a normal makeup at all. This is art makeup, so don't get confused, like you know what I'm showing, but this is the art form. Beauty I have already shown here. So if you want to see beauty, the eye makeup is here. We use lot of brushes in makeup, and every time whenever you put foundation or anything, you have to make sure you know the shadow and everything should not get wiped off with that. So now I'm going to shape my brows. So this is an angular brush. You can see this angular brush. This has angled, tapered angle. So now I'm going to shape this. Shape the brows, because once you apply the foundation, your brows are going to get lighter, because foundation just you know just go and sit there in your brows. You can see this. So here this, you have to make sure what shape you want to give. In art makeup you can you know just change your brows as well. It's not important to keep the same. I can change my brows shape too in such type of makeup. So now with this same brush, I'm just so I just added black shade there, so that you know it will look like a transition from darker to lighter shade. As it is going up, it's showing darker shade. So you have to make sure those lines are darker. You have to make sure if whatever foundation you have applied, you have to blend it well. So I'm just checking in this mirror now. You can see this. So we are going to apply bit blush on to just add warmth in the face. We are not keeping it flat. I have done many looks on my face, and many looks are coming very soon, because all this artwork really takes lot of time to work. Now lipstick, I'll just, I have already applied a bit closer shade, but I'll just, so this is a one kind of a art. There are many forms. I'm just making it more prominent. I just applied lip liner, darker shade, okay, not in the center. You can see this. And the base you need to set with powder again. If you have applied any kind of foundation, you need to set it. So I'm just setting the foundation. Hi Mimi. Hello. So you can see this. Now I'll just blend it again, the lines. Because shading is in makeup. If you don't do shading, it will not look realistic. So you can see now I have blended this color from darker to lighter shade, so that my this face mask will look more prominent. And whichever area you don't want to show, you have to make it dark. You can see this. So shading, okay. So this one side is nude and one side is art. So you can see this. So if I say this, okay, it's a different kind of a face mask, and this is the art. And you can see I have used many vibrant colors. I have started with light green, then bottle green, and then darker. And here on the crease I had applied bit of a mauve pink, and then this I just blend it upward, and rest of the part you have seen the shape I have given, and like a mask. And this is the look, and I hope you have like this look. This look, this makeup you can wear anytime. This makeup is completely nude makeup, natural makeup. I have not applied anything here on this eye. I just put liner and mascara, and here I have used more of lot of neon colors and vibrant colors to to create a mask more realistic. So I hope this session you liked it. Please leave your comment watching. So again, this is it for a day. And if you plan, we can come with many more videos like this, not like this makeup, but certainly a makeup which is useful for daytime or party time, or anything as you say. So thank you so much for watching this live video.